Hello, gentlemen. Now we are in Unit 6 in the workbook. To understand better, you need to do all the exercises in the workbook. So let's start straight away. Now turn to page 42. Page 42 has two exercises. The first one is vocabulary. Check the words listed here and check their meanings either with a dictionary or just Google it. These are very common words we use every day like bookstore, college, and so. Now read the words, understand their meanings and function, and match the sentences. Next comes the grammar item. This is a very simple exercise. The one we discussed in the class. There is and there are. What is the difference? The verb is a singular noun and the verb are is plural. Look at the first sentence. A big park is singular and so we use there is. Look at blank 4. We find 3 stores. So here we need to use the plural. So here we use there are. A lot of means plenty and some means few or little. If there is nothing, we say no. Now take 5 minutes, read the passage carefully, and then fix your answers. Here comes some grammar and vocab exercises. Read the sentences carefully and fill in the blanks. Look at the word or words after the blank and see if it is singular or plural. Then decide the answers. In question 3, make sentences. Now let's go the next part. Look at the pictures and check the correct box. So in the first one we have a lake, some snow, and it is an island. Look at the next 3 pictures carefully and find the answers. Now let's take some grammar. Count and non-count nouns. Count nouns are the ones that you can count 1, 2, 3, and so on. Non-counts are the ones that you cannot count, like sugar, rice, and so. Here there are 2 groups. Find the 5 mistakes and circle them. The first one is animals, and it has been done for you. Now let's take some grammar again. The use of a, an, and some. What is the difference between them? Very simple. A and an are singular, meaning one. But some means many, that is for plural. Again, what is the difference between the use of a and an? An is used for words with vowel sounds a, e, I, o, u, whereas a is used for consonants. So, is it clear now? Try this exercise now. Now let's take the last exercise. Complete the sentences with there is, or there are, or a lot of. Again, write 6 sentences of your own describing what you see out your window. The next subunit is about giving directions. This is a day-to-day activity when either we show the way to someone or ask someone how to reach a particular place. The common words we use are turn right, turn left, go straight, go across, go past, near, block, and so. Now try this exercise. Complete the conversation here. Look at the map here. You are here at the lower end and you need to give directions to reach locations on City Street, Park Street, or Hill Street. Nowadays, you have Google Maps that can take you anywhere and everywhere. Imagine you don't have your mobile and try to give directions here. The first thing you do is to give directions to reach the zoo. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Now, we have reached the last subunit of this chapter. Here we have some listening exercises. Listen to the audio track carefully and answer the questions. You can hear the audio twice only.
Lesson 6.4, page 48. Exercise 1A and 1B.
Look, Caesar.
What? Where?
Over there. On your right.
The green building?
Yeah. It's not a green building. It's a garden on a wall.
Oh, yeah. There are plants on the wall of the building. Cool.
Stop the car for a minute.
Okay. Wow. Some of the plants are really big. And there's grass on the wall.
Look at the flowers.
I don't think they're flowers. I think they're plants.
Oh, yeah. You're right. They're plants, not flowers.
Yeah. A garden on a building in the city. That's really different.
I agree. It's really cool.
Are you done? Did you answer all the questions? Now, listen again and check your answers.
Lesson 6.4, page 48. Exercise 1A and 1B.
Look, Caesar.
What? Where?
Over there. On your right.
The green building?
Yeah. It's not a green building. It's a garden on a wall.
Oh, yeah. There are plants on the wall of the building. Cool.
Stop the car for a minute.
Okay. Wow. Some of the plants are really big. And there's grass on the wall.
Look at the flowers.
I don't think they're flowers. I think they're plants.
Oh, yeah. You're right. They're plants, not flowers.
Yeah. A garden on a building in the city. That's really different.
I agree. It's really cool.
Have you finished the listening part? Now, it's time for some reading comprehension. Read the passage carefully and answer the questions given below. You just need to say, true or false. Now comes the second part of the writing exercise. Arrange the jumbled words in the correct order and make them complete sentences. Normally, how do we arrange the words? Sentences normally begin with a subject followed by a verb, and then followed by either an object or a complement. The first one is done for you as an example. The order is very simple. It begins with the subject, then the verb, and then the remaining information. Take 5 minutes and complete this exercise. So, gentlemen, finally, we are in the last part. You can find below a fact sheet. What is a fact sheet? A fact sheet describes the features of a given object or building. Here you need to add very to make the adjective strong. Let's take the first sentence. Here you can add very before the adjective unique and make it very unique. Like this, find the adjectives in each sentence and add very in front of it. The last thing to do here is to write a fact sheet about an interesting place you know. Use formal writing. Do not use contradictions. All the best, gentlemen. See you in the next unit.